Hey guys! So in this video, I'm going to throw together a quick prep dinner. It's also awesome for a quick lunch. I'm going to be using my prepped ahead vinaigrette dressing I've shown you guys with fresh herbs, which is really yummy and super versatile. I love showing you guys versatile stuff. Prep ahead, use it in a bunch of things. I have some prepped ahead quinoa. This is just regular white quinoa, also so versatile, and my kids even eat it, which is awesome. Whenever I have produce, I always wash it and have it prepped, ready to go in the fridge, because there's so many times when I've had a really long work day and I come home, I want a healthy dinner or a healthy meal, and I'm like, I do not feel like washing and drying everything. I know it sounds silly, but this shortcut really makes a big difference. When you come home, cushion in a little bit of time to just like wash and prep some veggies and have them in your fridge, or like fruit. This is this bag that I found. This company is called Ambrosia. This is not sponsored by them or whatever. I just found it. Made in USA, which is cool. So this is like this saver. I use strawberries in a lot of stuff. And something that's really hard is like they go bad so quickly, and I've tried so many methods. So this has been helping, okay? So what I do is I wash them, dry them really, really well, and throw them into this bag, or throw them into whatever you guys have. But having them washed and ready to go makes a big difference. Some people might be out there like, you're not supposed to wash strawberries before you use them, but I do, simply for the fact that I'll use them more because they're already washed and ready. So you guys, whatever works for you, but for me, I actually like washing my strawberries and having them already ready to go. Okay, so here's a perfect example of something we're gonna whip together with stuff that's basically done. Check it out. So let's do a little base of quinoa at the bottom. And this is gonna be a cold salad. If you guys want, top it with protein. This is just gonna be a simple little salad for moi. So on top of the quinoa, I'm gonna do a little bed of spinach. Nice little fairy bed, as my daughter says. So now let's get some of our beautiful strawberries. The other thing too is I always cut my fruit on a separate cutting board. So let me get that. Because I cut so much onions and garlic on my cutting board, you do not want your produce, like fruits, tasting like onion and garlic. So I always cut my fruit on a separate board. I love strawberries. It just makes everything feel so springy vibes, springy summer vibes. I do a lot of fun stuff with strawberries. And then soon, I don't know where some of you guys are, they might already be in your farmers markets. They're not here yet. So these are just from, you know, the supermarket, but oh my gosh, when they start having them at the farmers markets, forget about it. It's like strawberry everything, and I love it. This is already looking so pretty. On top of this, we're gonna add some mint and basil, avocado, feta, and some chopped up pistachios. Oh my gosh, doesn't that sound good? I also feel like healthier eating this. And I already eat pretty healthy, but this is like healthy, fun vibes. Okay, so this is just a little bit of basil and mint. Look at how awesome that looks already. Okay, so let's chop up some pistachios. The other thing too is when I do salads like this, where I'm not putting protein on it, I always love adding something like avocado, like a nice healthy fat, which kind of like grounds it. So this is like a perfect example of when I would do that. It just kind of adds like that kind of hearty fat, just kind of like makes it a little bit more substantial, you know? Okay, so let's do our avocado slices. Do not do what I'm doing. Do not hold it like this, and this is very dangerous. Do not do this unless you're totally familiar with your avocado and how to cut it. Otherwise, please do it on your board. I've just been doing this for so long, I know how to do it like with my eyes closed. We're gonna get that out. Got a little avocado fan. Pretty. Okay. Feta and strawberries, basil, such a good combo. Okay, I need to like show you guys a close-up of this and how awesome this looks, because this is insane. That is so good. Oh my. I'm going to eat this right now. This is incredible. Whoa. Yay. I know that's weird. It's like my recipe, but I'm like, but it's so good.